Hi there. So in this video I'm going to show you two handy tricks inside After Effects. The first thing is how you can create a responsive text box on one layer, and that's one layer only. And then secondly, I'm going to show you how you can save whatever effects you apply, for example like this text box, as a user preset inside of After Effects. So let's just jump in and create a composition. Let's give it a background color. Then let's just add some text here. So with this text layer, I'll just add 4 effects, and with that I'll have a text within the text box. We can start with RepeTile, which in this case is essentially the padding around the text. So let's give it 32 on the right, 32 on the left, 16 on the bottom and 16 on the top. For now, it doesn't look great. But now let's add a fill layer. Let's give it a light shade of the screen. And next, shift channels. And this is the trick. Now this weird duplicated text or tile text, by choosing the alpha full on, I'll get a text box. But now we just have a text box. We no longer see the text. To sort that out, we'll search for the Composite, CC Composite. Try that in and look at that. So now if I want to change the color of the text, I can still do that from the text menu. Let's give that a dark shade of the same green. And now whenever I change the text box is responding. And so now, if you don't want to remember what effects you have to apply to get this responsive text box, or what settings to do inside them, you can simply mark them all, go over to the Effects and Presets panel, click this hamburger menu here, Save Animation Preset. Then you just name it whatever you want. I'll call it Responsive Text Box. Save. And then you have this effect inside After Effects under your animation presets, user presets, responsive text box. So now if I delete this text, I'll add a new text layer. Locate my saved presets. I can just drag that into the text layer, and look at that, we have a text box, which again is responsive. So I hope this trick can help you speed up your workflow with whatever effects you want to save as your presets. And yeah, thanks for watching.